Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify the compound structure. The molecule appears to be 3-bromo-2-methylpentane 2-1 or a related compound. From the drawing, the upper carbon, center A, bears an ethyl group, lower left, a methyl on a dash, going back, a carbonyl carbon, C is equal to O leading to CH3, i.e., acetyl group to the right, and a bond down to the lower carbon. The lower carbon, center B, bears Br on a bold wedge, coming forward toward viewer H implicitly, and connects to the rest of the chain. Moving on to the next step. Assign priorities at center A, upper chiral center. The 4 substituents at center A. 1. The C is equal to O containing group. Carbonyl carbon bonded to O and CH3, highest priority due to oxygen. 2. The lower carbon bearing Br, next highest, Br is high atomic number. 3. Ethyl group, CH to CH3. 4. Methyl group, CH3, lowest priority. Priority order, C is equal to O, CH3 CHBr. CH to CH3 CH3. Moving on to the next step. Determine spatial arrangement at A. The methyl, lowest priority, number 4, is on a dashed bond going away from viewer. With the lowest priority group pointing away, we read the remaining 3 groups, 1 to 3, directly. Looking at the arrangement, the rotation 1 to 3 determines R or S given the dashed methyl. Away, if the sequence 1 to 3 appears clockwise, it is R, counterclockwise is S. Based on the drawing, the arrangement gives a counterclockwise, S, rotation. So center A is equal to S. And for the final step, assign priorities at center B, lower chiral center. Substituents, Br, bold wedge, toward viewer, the upper carbon, center A, a hydrogen, implicit, going back or in plane, and an ethyl or methyl continuation. Priority, BRC, connected to O via A. Carbon chain H determines spatial arrangement at B. Br is on a bold wedge, toward viewer. With highest priority coming toward us, we read groups 2, 3, 4. If counterclockwise we assign S, then flip because number 1 is toward us means we invert. Working through the geometry of the drawing, the arrangement at B also gives S configuration. Both centers are S, giving A is equal to S, B is equal to S. Why other options fail? A is equal to R, B is equal to S, incorrect. A is S not R, B, A is equal to R, B is equal to R, both assignments are wrong. D, A is equal to S, B is equal to R, B is S not R. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.